Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have a really cute shadow box for you. This is my girl graduation shadow box. How cute is that design? You have that girl there dancing around, happy with her friends to be graduated and be done with school. You've got some graduation caps there in the air, and you have the university in the background. Really fun. This project is really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your brayer, scraper, weeding tool, glue or adhesive. You might want some foam squares as well to add some dimension between the layers, your cardstock, and your shadow box. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this in a larger shadow box or maybe even on a card, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this shadow box. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the solid cream color, then the yellowish color, the orangish color, reddish color, the lighter purple, and then the darker purple. Now I'm going to be just layering this inside the shadow box. You definitely could use foam squares to add some dimension between the different layers, and I would honestly add foam squares between all of the layers except for obviously the back piece. Like I said, I'm just going to layer everything inside the design. Using the foam squares would definitely add some nice dimension. I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box now. Now I've added the little pins that come with this shadow box to help push everything to the front. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. And now I'll grab my backing piece and close up the shadow box. And there we have our Girl Graduate shadow box. What did you think of this design? Really easy. I think you could totally customize it with the different colors for that university. Just a really great project to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next graduation week video. Bye-bye.